Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering vinyl, transfer tape, a clean mat, weeding tool, and your Cricut. Open Design Space and import or create your art at final dimensions. Make sure to mirror text when needed so it reads correctly after application. Once done, attach vinyl to the mat with the liner down and select vinyl material settings. Increase cut pressure slightly for precise cuts, and run a small 1 cm test cut to confirm blade and pressure. This avoids wasted sheets. You'll load the mat and start the cut, watching for skips or lifting. If the vinyl shifts, stop and restick. Once cut, remove the mat backing, then weed the negative space. Peel away excess vinyl from the outer edges and work inward for control. Use a weeding hook for small interior shapes and poke tiny holes to release air. After weeding, trim around the design to reduce transfer tape bulk and keep edges straight for cleaner transfers. You position the transfer tape over the vinyl and burnish firmly with a scraper so the vinyl adheres to the tape. Once bonded, peel the liner at a low angle and align the vinyl on your target surface. Press from the center outward to push out air bubbles and ensure smooth adhesion. If edges lift or small pieces won't transfer, apply gentle heat with a hair dryer to activate the adhesive, then reburnish. If cuts were incomplete, recut with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.